fall in love with Donnie Pangilinan.
Hey guys! So for today's video ay mag-update ako for Maydon dahil nagising po ang ating King of Hearts na si Donnie Pangilinan. So this is our latest update for Maydon.
Moved here.
Like as an adult? Naks.
Why? You could still be an adult and love Lego,
Oo
tita.
nga, I can
Hindi
tell.
naman mawawala yan.
Yan,
Ayan,
okay.
This is a scout troop.
And then this one, I always see this. This is,
It's a bear brick. There are a couple
this
scattered.
is like a collectible, no?
Yeah.
Oh, ito, Ultimate Breakthrough Star. Oh, ito, can you show this?
Yeah.
This is a taglet.
Yeah, it is. How do you know that? Oh, it says.
Yeah, but
Kasi, this is actually supposed to be for the house I'm building sa beach.
Oh, oh, oh.
Kasi may ganun. Pero I just put
Yeah,
it here.
it's nice. But okay, ang tanong ito, sa napakatangkad mo naman at pagkalalaking tao, at bakit ka may malaking teddy bear dito sa sala?
The real reason is a lot of my supporters and fans, they give me gifts.
Really?
So this is one of the recent ones.
From the fans?
Yeah. So I was like, you know what? Parang cute naman dito siya.
Oh, look, tinan nyo fans, your teddy bear is in...
It's here. I really
Donnie's
use them, guys.
living room.
Oh, eh? Oh, eh?
Pero Donnie, did you ever wanna be a star?
Growing up, I was so quiet eh. As in, sobrang introvert talaga. I guess it always amazed me when I'd go to the set with my mom or her friends, or when I used to do commercials, as a kid. I never thought that it was possible that this could be my career talaga. My mom didn't want me to enter at all.
Yeah.
As in, sabi niya talaga sa akin, seryoso ka ba dyan, Donnie? Kasi she knows what it's like, di ba? Showbiz is not easy. And it's not for everyone. I remember Saturdays, 5 a.m., I'd drive to workshops, ABS, while I was still in school.
Wow.
Because my mom was like, I'm not gonna call anyone. I'm not gonna use any connections. If you want to be there, you show me you want to be there. Because I don't know if you really know what you're getting into.
Pero nakaranas ka na ba ng sobrang lungkot at heartbreak that you thought, dapat ba ipagpatuloy ko to?
When I first started, it was hard kasi when you start, you listen to everyone. Even the bashing, the ones who are like, pangilinan lang yan. Or ginamit na naman yung mga connection. But, we just have to keep going, keep pushing. I believe that I'm exactly where I am for a reason. And as long as you're there na alam mo na, nandito ako for this reason, you shouldn't really let other people say otherwise.
Yeah. Hindi ba kayo nag-aaway ng mga magulang mo? Because they are your managers.
Always fight.
Oh my God. Di ba?
Yeah, they co-manage me along with Star Magic. We
Oo.
do fight a lot. It's not easy.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to find that bridge between being parents, managers, me being the son, but also being a talent.
Oo.
Yes, there are times we really have fights, miscommunications, but we resolve it naman. Kasi at the end of the day, I know they won't do anything that would hurt me.
Yeah.
Because they're my parents, and they still love me. So even if sometimes I might disagree with them, I'm saying this na, dad and mama, I have to take a step back and think about what they're saying.
Yeah.
Because they're still more experienced than me.
Oo.
But they learn from me a lot too, kasi it's two different generations.
Yeah. Ano ang non-negotiable sa family mo when you became famous?
When I'm at home, they don't treat me like artista. Duh, we can't do that.
Your dad said that non-negotiable, you have to go to Sunday service.
I do. I do go to church every Sunday, as much as possible. There are times na Sundays, if ass up with guestings and stuff, mahirap, I have to catch up later in the week. But I really try my best to make it every Sunday talaga. Because with everything going on, you still have to keep your spiritual area in your life. You can't just be good mentally and physically, even emotionally. That's not enough. It will never be enough.
Sabi mo sa akin, I was so impressed, you tithe.
Yeah, of course. It's like it doesn't even go through me na, it just goes straight. Every time money is with me, that's already subtracted with everything na.
Nakakabilib naman yun.
It's something we've done ever since.
Oo. Why do you believe in tithing?
Maybe you have to go to that mindset, get to that mindset na nothing is ours anyway. Diba? It's all just lent to us. And at the end of the day, when we die, the day will come, none of this will matter. What's 10%? Diba? What's 10% to give back to God?
Naiyak naman ako dito. Dear, naiyak ako sa'yo.
Well, again, tita, I'm not perfect. I try my best to just stay in line with my family, with God. There are times it's really hard kasi there's so much is going on, right? Especially in the showbiz industry. I think the most important thing is to have a circle of friends or a group of people that you trust and that will motivate you towards your goal.
Ano ang itinuro sa'yo ni Anthony and Maricel that you still carry today?
The number one thing is always give glory back to God. Di pwedeng mawala yun ever. Number two, keep your feet on the ground, of course.
Yeah.
Don't forget how you started. Don't forget why you started. And understand that you're where you are because you have a purpose. And for me, when I get to inspire people, when I get messages of saying, Donnie, grabe, like, I was going through anxiety or whatever, but because somehow of something I did, nawawala yun, that's just, everything becomes worth it so much.
But do you believe love is blind?
Of course, I believe love, it's just something you can't explain. So, when it happens, it happens. It doesn't
Have you
choose me.
ever been in love?
Of course, I've been in love. I'm 23 now. Siyempre.
Okay, what age did you first start
Oh
to
my
fall in love? Sige nga.
I think high school.
Okay.
Yeah, high school.
Siyempre, non-showbiz po yun. Or
Yeah.
showbiz.
No, non-showbiz.
Non-showbiz.
We never got together. I was
Classmate.
Yeah.
Ngayon, nasa na siya? Oh. Okay, so you've been in love, you've been heartbroken.
I guess that can count as heartbroken, siguro. Yeah. Kasi na-friend zone ako dati eh.
Oh gosh, hindi ko isipin sa itsurang yan na friend zone. How did you first meet Belle?
I first met Belle, like this was 2018, if I'm not mistaken. But that was once lang, one day lang. We didn't really do much together. We played a bit of ML, Mobile Legends. Do you play?
No,
So,
but my
yeah.
son does.
Ayun, so we played a bit of that and then talked a bit. Pero nothing, we didn't really do a lot of stuff. Pero when he's into her game, syempre, with the go-see, the screen test and stuff like that, that's where I really started to get to know her. 2019.
And kayo ba talaga ni Belle?
Oh my God.
Kayo ba talaga ni Belle?
Grabe naman yung...
Kayo
Grabe
ba
mga
talaga
tanong
ni
dito.
Belle? Oh.
Belle and I are in a happy place right now.
Wow, anong happy
We're
place?
very grateful for our situation.
Oo.
And blessed to be an inspiration to many people, hopefully.
Grabe.
More than that,
You know-
we're blessed to be having these projects together.
Oo, but you're close.
Of course.
How close?
We're very close. Very close.
Like good morning, good night, that kind of close?
Meron din.
May ganon.
Yun na yung answer ko dito.
Oh
Happy
my.
kami, happy.
And you defended her. I mean, just recently there were fans bashing Belle, and you were like the knight in shining armor who said she's so beautiful. But let's talk about that. People can be so cruel.
They can. Well, you're in showbiz, what can you expect? There's gonna be voices again from everywhere. But you know, I always tell her, we tell each other, those voices don't matter naman eh. Who do you put your trust in ba? Or all your worries in? Is it them? First of all, we don't know them. They don't know us. Belle is so talented. She has so much ahead of her. And I'm just happy that I get to witness this journey.
And how are you when you're with her?
I'm just myself, really.
Are you happier when...
It's hard for me to open up and hard for me to, you know, just move without thinking as much. But with her, it's super chill lang eh. We're super comfortable with each other.
Wait, so you fell in love in the set? The set.
Tita naman!
Only tita questions can ask
No!
this. You fell in
Oh
love
my
sa
gosh,
set.
oh my
My
gosh.
gosh, di ba? You would want it the old-fashioned way.
Galing ng research ni Tita.
Anong
Galing ng research ni Tita.
old-fashioned way?
I'm just the type of guy who likes writing letters.
You're kidding.
Yeah, who's maybe sends flowers or something that's not really digital, that can't be seen online. Kasi those are more, parang nowadays, those are more rare eh. So it's nice when it happens.
Would you want a family as big as your own? You're a big family.
I've never thought about that yet. I want kids, of course. I don't know how many. Maybe 2 or 3. I don't know yet. Maybe 2 or 3. I don't know yet.
2022, what is your goal
In showbiz or like out?
in your life?
I'm starting to build my first house now.
Wow.
Yeah.
As
Like,
a
build
business,
talaga,
as a
build.
business or to live in?
To live in. This is the first house I'm building. Because I have property, but it was ano na eh. It's made na. But
Ang
like,
galing mo naman, 23 years old, nagpapatayo ka na ng sariling
It's
bahay.
more of like a rest place. So, ayun. That's my focus. Sana this year tapos na yun. Para I can like, when I'm not working, I can go straight there na. Because again, I'm a beach guy. I'm a mountain guy.
Yeah.
I
And you
love that.
scuba dive
I
until
do
now.
scuba dive, yes. Of course, we're doing a couple of shows, movies this year. They've already been pitched to us. So just for me personally, it's just to keep growing again.